Hey guys, welcome to my very first Cook and Clean. I'm super excited to be sharing with you me cooking dinner for my family of 8 and mixed in with a little bit of cleaning because always cleaning when you have 6 kids. So I love to do theme nights. I got this idea from the Food Nanny. So once a week we do breakfast for dinner. My kids love breakfast for dinner. It's one of the meals they'll actually eat. And it's also usually a pretty affordable option, which I love. But this night we're going to be doing pancakes, bacon, and fruit. My hack for pancakes is doing them in a muffin tin. It takes forever to do pancakes on a skillet. I hate sitting around and flipping them, and I have to make so many pancakes to feed all of my family that it just takes forever. So this is like a really simple way to do pancakes that's fast and easy, and it's foolproof because you just bake them in the oven for about 12 minutes and they come out perfect, and my kids love them. It's also a really great dinner if you're going to freeze and save for later for other breakfasts. So oftentimes I will double the recipe and then I'll freeze a bunch, and then my kids will eat them for the next week for breakfast. So I love meals where I can make extra and freeze the rest for other things, and I know where the ingredients came from. It's not something processed. It's way cheaper than buying pre-made stuff, and it just works really great for our family. So anyway, I have the muffins cooking. My pancake muffins are cooking, and I'm just doing a little cleanup in between the next set of cooking, and I'm listening to an audiobook. I love the Libby Library app because I can get audiobooks for free, but I also use Audible, and I was listening to a World War II book at the time. I believe it was The Book of Lost Names. Really awesome World War II book if you like that genre of books. Now I'm doing some laundry with our family of 6. I typically do about 3 loads a day, and usually at the end of the day I try and do a couple extra loads while I'm cooking dinner because I love to sit down at the end of the day and fold laundry while I watch YouTube videos or my favorite show when my kids are in bed. So this is my next hack. I am going to be making bacon on a sheet pan in the oven. This is a really easy way to make bacon, also way faster, and it's way less messy because then you don't have the grease popping up all over your stovetop, which I love. And then I'm gonna do some fruit. I get questions why I add fruit to dinner a lot as a side. I didn't know this was weird, but apparently to some people putting fruit on the side of dinner is weird, but I think it's normal, and my kids love fruit, and it's one of the few things that they will eat. They're not as fond of vegetables. I know vegetables are great, but fruit works better for my kids, so we're doing fruit. I just happen to have 3 different berries: blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries. So I'm just putting them all together, and my bacon is now done. So excited to eat bacon. Who doesn't love bacon? And then I just let it dry out a little bit and get the grease off on some paper towels. Anyway, I find it easier to just dish all my kids' foods up at the same time. And as you can see, little hands, my little 1-year-old is always trying to grab the plates off the counter before I can get them to the table. He succeeds more often than I'd like to admit. And I'm just adding the berries, and then I'm so excited. This is going to be such a good dinner, and it's one my kids will actually eat. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my very first Cook and Clean, and I hope you'll stay tuned for more videos like this because I will be sharing a whole lot more. I feel like this is an easier way to just kind of share tidbits of my life and give you tips for, cooking and cleaning and maintaining a household with lots of kids, because our household has 6 kids and counting. So thanks for being here. We will see you next time.